Yeah.
So yeah, we got something new to share with everybody tonight.
Called the ARTyRV Fan Club.
And we love it. And we hope you guys like it.
And you'll get behind the scenes photos. We're also doing early access to the new tutorials. So when a new video, say we set up a premiere for a video.
On Friday night at 8 o'clock.
On Friday night at 8 o'clock. The members will get that premiere, will get that video 24 hours ahead.
So you can check it out. Nothing's going to change. You don't have to join or spend money. Nothing's going to change about Monday night. The fan club. It's going to help Barb and I bring you better quality videos. It's going to help us expand our channel so that we can help even more people. So those things, again, nothing is going to change about the way things are going right now. You don't have to become a member. You already are a subscriber. And you know what? Subscriptions matter because the only reason we're here is from the subscriptions. Right, Barb?
Right. That's right. Another thing, we'll connect with y'all on a social media platform. So we'll have more communication about, okay, we know who, we know what platforms you're on. Let's be friends. So we will connect on social media with y'all.
Yeah. So
and we will have a once a month member only live stream
on a Saturday.
It won't be a Q&A. The Q&As, everything stays the same here for our channel. Glass chat, demos, that type of thing. This members only is going to be more of a feedback. You tell us what you like, what you don't like, and so that we can all get the channel going in the direction that you guys need and the way it's going to help you the most.
Yeah, because this is the channel. This is your channel.
So you also get badges for how long you've been in.
Right.
And we'll have some fun as our membership grows. We'll have some fun with emoji. If you go to the ARTyRV homepage, there's a little box there, and you can just go to memberships, like across the top. There's a place that has community and
it's one of the pages.
So just go to membership, click on it, and it'll list out for you all the different perks that you get.
Yeah, and like I said, nothing's going to change. We had some inquiries about having a membership, so we thought, you know what, let's just go ahead and do it.